Step on it.
That's it.
I did this at a birthday party once. Step on it. Step on it.
Should I do my toes or
No,
my heels?
step. Both. Oh, your whole entire foot. Forward. Lean forward a little bit.
I don't think it's on.
It's not
It's
on.
not on, dummy.
Oh, you get your foot?
No, turn it on. Turn it on.
I don't know how to turn this on.
This is what we're doing today. Is Giselle got a
Here we
hoverboard?
go.
Oh, it's on now.
It's on now.
Let it calibrate.
Feel better.
So Lauren thinks that she can do a hoverboard.
I did it at a birthday party once.
There's no way. It told my buddy said it took him 3 days to figure this out, and she's deciding
Hold it.
to do it in the house.
Hold her foot on. How you?
Damn!
Thing just starts moving as soon as you touch it.
Well, basically, we're gonna ride it.
Yeah. But
Yeah, you're supposed to lean forward a little bit and go.
oh wait.
Alright. Okay, mommy, got it.
You gotta watch your feet.
I will. Don't worry about my feet. Worry about you and your safety. No, don't. No, you're supposed to put both feet on. No, just put both feet on.
No, because it's moving and I don't understand it.
Just put both feet on now. Just jump on. Oh, you're moving your feet. That's the problem. Up, up, forward, lean forward. Stop twitching. Lean forward a little bit. Lean forward a little bit. Turn, turn. Lean forward. No, turn, turn. Turn your feet that way. Now learn.
Hold on.
Forward, 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 forward.
Let's go backwards.
And backward, 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 backward. And forward. And then you can turn.
Damn.
Can I try it? Okay, hold my feet.
Oh, this is too much.
Just hop on it. Because what
Are
happens?
you going to drop me? Please don't drop me.
No. Because what happens is it's gonna keep turning until you get both feet on. Yeah, it's scary. Go ahead. Hop up. Put your other foot up.
Wait, okay.
The bastard over here has done this at a birthday party. She can't balance, dude.
What are you doing?
Okay.
No, stop. Get up. Put this one up. There you go. Put the other one up.
You hold one. That. No. Keep that foot on until I get on. Keep that.
Oh.
Mommy, you're gonna run my foot over. Keep that. Turn, move. Okay. See, wiggle. Alright. No.
Let go of one arm. Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna go around in circles because she's heavy-footed on the right foot.
Pretty good. Swing back.
No.
Heels.
Is your hand back there?
Go for it.
I can't. Hold my hand and what?
Oh, there goes the feet.
Come here.
Come to me.
Don't play that trick. Don't play
She's gonna
that.
fall, dude.
Don't
There's
play
too many sharp edges there.
Come to me. Turn your foot. It's like a baby learning to walk.
But I have a board.
I think you're gonna need a helmet in case you fall down.
I expected somebody to fall by now.
Alright. You like it? You're in my chair. Okay. Let me try it again. Can't be that hard.
Well, I can do it.
No matter which way you go on it.
No.
Don't do that.
Yeah, so you can get your foot on it. Here. And up. Yeah. Okay, you're good? You are okay. Lean forward a little bit. Just get on.
Push it up.
Hold that. Hold it. Hold it. Up.
Fix your feet.
Why? Shoulders. Hold my hand. Zoom.
I think it's perfect if you do it in the house. You got enough crap to ground.
She's gonna hit her head on something. You gotta get her off of that. She's so rigid, it's unreal.
She don't know how.
She don't know how to balance.
No circle.
She used to do good balancing acts. So here comes the cat to jump on it and mess it all up.
No! Johnny, hi. Watch out, I'm going to go forward.
You're good.
I'm taller than you now.
Are you leaning forward?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, that'll take a few days.
Yeah, we'll figure it all out.